there's a lot more opportunity, there's a lot more opportunity, I think, on the shop side than the than marketplace, but definitely can run both. Marketplace is a little more invasive because you got to have your computer set up with either like AnyDesk or TeamViewer, or we could do like a VPS, like a virtual private server, and have that way log in. And that way then your computer's not set up, but you do have to have them having access to you as if they're logging in from your IP address. So that could be a little bit of a, like an upfront thing that we just got to be upfront with people with, especially if they're using their marketplace right now for shopping and things like that, or they log in from multiple computers to Facebook. There's just some rules that you might want to, that we want to be upfront with people that they follow to make sure that we don't have any suspensions on their store or anything like that. But once we get somebody up and running, like last week, one of our clients, we had their first sale happened within 24 hours. And so my store, I've been running for about 3 months now. Like my first 2 weeks, my profit share after the split, like 50-50, was just under $400. My next 4 weeks was probably just under 1,000. So I would say like our goal would be to be getting you to $1,000 a month in net profits hopefully by like month 2 or so. And then, I don't know what you guys promise on your stores, but we try to like under promise and over deliver, I guess. So we don't try to say that it's going to be, you're not going to become a millionaire overnight or anything, but we're going to get you a nice steady cash flow. And so even if you guys are charging, whatever you guys are charging, I mean, like if you can net back your profits within, typically a lot of these automations, like if you can do it within like 10 months to a year even, and be going 100% profits after that, you're still looking pretty good. But we try to, us at 3,500, where we're charging our price point, you should be cash flow positive by like month 3 to 4. And then after that, you're at 100% profits going forward. So we're doing Facebook, we're doing eBay, we're doing Amazon, we got Walmart, we've got semi trucks, we got NFTs. We're rolling out campers and Turo, and Airbnb automation is all coming down the road here too. So we got a lot of different things happening.
Yeah, and I think tell them kind of what sets us apart as far as kind of the software we're bringing in and we're testing.
Oh yeah. So we're just getting trained right now too on like, you guys have heard of Sellbrite, but it's like a cross-platform software solution. But we've got a guy who does automation on Facebook and Walmart, and he's set up this whole system where all of his inventory goes into this system, and then you can like log in and purchase through him. But he also he's doing wholesale drop shipping. So he has items that ship within typically like 2 to 3 days, he was saying. So we're getting trained right in. We're connecting our sites to him like today, and we're getting all the training done. But our goal here is like, you get in with somebody with a new marketplace, you start doing like little sales. Our guys look for the trending items, you start selling those, you start getting lots of little sales, you start getting your likes and get your store seasoned. But our goal would be then to start flipping these people over towards a wholesale drop ship model versus the retail arbitrage, which is what everybody's doing right now. So what we would do then is we'd be purchasing the items at wholesale cost and drop shipping direct to consumer. So there's not a lot of people doing that right now. And we have this store, we can run a connection from this system right into the Facebook shops and we can post to Facebook shops and also to like eBay and these other systems too. So like potentially we could get to a point where we're adding in multiple platforms for each client too. But I think the big thing would be just to be a step above everybody else. We're going to come in and start rolling over towards a wholesale dropship model, which will set us apart from everybody else and make our stores more valuable and more sustainable too, a sustainable business model that's not going to have your store suspended or things like that. So